what you so desperately need, which is why I'm going to do something that's kind of risky here. And although Amanda Feerson recommended I sell this program for $997, and my own wife Kathy suggested $197, and although it's already helped over 33,000 men and women who would happily pay triple that amount after seeing the results for themselves, this isn't about the money for me. I know what it feels like to watch someone you love lose their health. I know the fear, pain, and helplessness of watching your loved ones suffer and not being able to do anything to help them. I don't want this to happen to you too. I feel blessed to have found this amazing program, and now I want to share it with you. So I'm not going to ask for $197, or even half of that, or even a quarter for that matter, because the truth is, all I'm trying to do here is cover my costs and keep this website running for as long as I can, so as many people as possible can benefit. And the last thing I want is for price to be a factor in your decision. So if you click on the button below right now, you can pick up the complete Halki Diabetes Remedy for just $37. That's it, a one-time fee of $37, and this entire program is yours to keep forever. Do the right thing for yourself and your family and loved ones, and push that button below. Immediately after, you will have instant access to the entire Halki Diabetes Remedy and all the recipes, and the 21-day protocol. I hate to say this, the clock is ticking. You don't want to go through what Kathy went through. She got lucky that day. However, why would you risk it when the solution is right at your fingertips? Hit the button below right now and get instant access to this program. And if you're a little skeptical that this can work for you, I completely understand. After all, you've been lied to and manipulated your entire life into believing that medications are your only choice to reverse diabetes. Because of course, the $327 billion diabetes industry will never tell you that there's a quick, easy, and natural way to reverse your diabetes. Because nobody would ever need another medication or insulin shot again. So here's what I'm going to do. To prove to you that this protocol works and you have absolutely nothing to worry about, I'm going to give you a 60-day, risk-free, money-back guarantee. If you don't experience a dramatic improvement in your diabetes, if you don't see the fat melt off you day by day, if you are not overflowing with energy and enthusiasm as your insulin resistance is reversed, or even if you change your mind for any reason at all, then all you have to do is email me at the address provided on the next page, and I will refund your entire investment with no questions asked and no hard feelings. Plus, if you do decide that it's not for you, I'll even let you keep the entire program, just to say thanks for giving it a try. I can't be fairer than that, right? But a risk-free guarantee isn't all you'll be getting. If you hit buy now below, in the next 60 minutes, I'm going to give you 3 fantastic bonuses for free as a big thank you for watching my video up to this point. Each bonus has been meticulously created by lead medical researcher Christopher Clements. The first bonus is called the Relaxed Mind, Healthy Body Video Series. Why a video series? Because you've got the Halki Diabetes Remedy to read. I couldn't ask you to read anymore. Simply load up the video and watch. It couldn't be easier. Look, I've made it as easy as possible for you to get the results by adding simple side dressings to your regular diet, but I want to guarantee your success. And unfortunately, when you're stressed out and you're not mentally calm, it can even affect the power of the Halki Diabetes Remedy. In the video series, Christopher will reveal the #1 morning ritual you should adopt that will give you more energy, tranquility, and more focus each and every day. How to have more energy than you've ever dreamed without caffeine or other artificial stimulants. A fascinating technique in how to tap into your best self for ultimate performance in every facet of your life. And more, you'll be well prepared, calm, and confident, ready for the Halki Diabetes Remedy. You'll feel relaxed, well rested, and ready to go. We've included a cheat sheet, handy checklist, transcription, and mind map to give you an overview of everything covered